Hello guys, this is Hitesh Tripathi and I'm your instructor via Newton School and this video is about starting of a new playlist that is Introduction to Data Structures and Algorithms. Okay, so let's see what we are going to study in this whole playlist. Okay, but before that, let's just see what Newton School is. So basically Newton School is an e-learning platform in which they are providing you placement trainings. Okay, so they will teach you different programming languages like Java, C++, Python, and then they will teach you front end and back end development, and they will get you ready for directly placements. Okay, and not only this much, they will also get you placed. Okay, they will also get you placed in different companies like ThoughtWorks, Topper, 7-Eleven, Unacademy, Dream11, and they have tie up with almost 300 companies of India, so no need to worry. You just need to come to newtonschool.co and check their pay after placement program if you didn't check it yet, and get the most out of it. Okay, so in under pay after placement program you don't need to pay even a single penny until and unless you get placed in any of these companies. Okay, and they provide you minimum CTC of 5 lakh, so it is also a good thing. And these days they also have a new initiative which is Launchpad, under which they are providing you free courses for learning purpose. Okay, so they will teach you different programming languages, different core subjects, and everything for from computer science field. Okay, so if you want to go in IT sector, just come to their website and check their Launchpad initiative and pay after placement program. And under Launchpad initiative they are teaching you everything for free, like development, front end, back end, different programming languages and everything. So just come and explore their website and get the most out of it. Okay, now, so before heading towards our introductory data structures and algorithms video, there are some prerequisites also, like you need to learn firstly some language for programming. So I have also taught you C++ programming language. Okay, full C++ programming language with all the prerequisites of data structures and algorithms. Okay, so everything in STL also and everything in C++ also. So if you don't know any programming language, you just come to this channel, Code Kitchen Newton School, and bookmark this playlist. This playlist is almost completed. Okay, so just repeat this or revise this playlist. Okay, now let's see what we are going to learn in our whole playlist, that is data structures and algorithms. Okay, so as we all know, firstly let's see what data structures and algorithms is. Okay, so what is data structures? As the name suggests, data structures, so we are structuring some data. Okay, suppose we have some data, or you can say we have some database, and we have roll number and names of too many people. Okay, and we have to do some search operation, like you want to search some name Hitesh Tripathi in your whole data. Okay, so if you are going to search it in manual manner, okay, like you started from top and searching it from top to bottom, it will take too much time. Okay, suppose you have some data of 10,000, 20,000 people, so it will take too much time. Okay, so we will structure that data, that database of linear data in some other format. Okay, in some other non-linear format, or you can say we will use any other technique to search my name. Okay, like instead of searching from top to bottom, we will use any other technique. Okay, and or so if we use some other technique, okay, so that technique you can say is algorithm. We will use some other algorithm to search that name. And if we use some other structuring of data, like we structured that whole database into some other structure, so that we can make our search operation fast. So in that case we use data structures and algorithms to do our operations fast, to reduce our time complexity of search, sort and different operations. There is not only search operation, there are different operations like updating your data, or searching your data, or deleting your data. Okay, inserting your data. So there are different operations, and they are to reduce these different operations, time complexity, we use data structures and algorithms. Okay, so that is all about data structures and algorithms, and we will learn everything in it in this playlist. Okay, so I will upload one video almost every day so that कोई भी इशू ना हो, ठीक है, लर्निंग प्रोसेस में. फाइन. So let me tell you what we are going to learn in this whole playlist: searching algorithms and their time complexity analysis, then sorting algorithms and time complexity analysis, then our linear data structures. So in data structures we have two types, that is linear and non-linear. Okay, so we will learn them one by one. Okay, like start, and then we will also solve example problems in it. Okay, we will firstly understand all the implementation of some data structure, and then we will see how we are going to use it in our programming section, and then we will see some example problems, and we will also see queue and its all modified forms like circular queue, nq, dq, everything. Okay, under queue and circular queue and example problems. Then we will see linked list also. Linked list is very important data structure, okay, for interview purposes, like they will ask many questions from this. And then we will see example problems also. Then we will also see modified form of linked list like doubly linked list, circular linked list, everything. We will also see graphs. Now graphs is almost a single topic in itself. Okay, so we will see everything in this playlist. Okay, all the implementations and example problems, then trees, it different forms, okay, and its implementations. So let me tell you one thing, that data structure and algorithms is a whole subject in itself. Okay, a vast subject, and no one is fully confident in it. Okay, so we will teach you everything so that you can be confident in data structures and algorithms. Fine, and we will see everything. So just this is just a summary of this whole playlist. Okay, and every thing contains 4 or 5 topics in it. Okay, every point contains 4 or 5 topics in it. We will see everything under this playlist. So just bookmark this playlist for further purposes, and subscribe this channel if you haven't done it. And let's begin for our topics from next video. Fine. So just go to Newton Code Kitchen Newton School, bookmark this playlist, and if you haven't done any programming language till now, just learn C++ and STL in C++ using this playlist in Code Kitchen and Newton School. And again go to newtonschool.co and check their Launchpad initiative and pay after placement program if you haven't done it. They are providing you courses for free also, so you can just start learning for free. Again, in all these processes we are going to use for Newton School ID for programming purpose. Okay, so just go and sign up in Newton School and check their playlist and get the most out of it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bookmark this current playlist, that is simply introduction to data structures and algorithms also. Fine. Thank you guys for watching this video.